If you think mushrooms are not delicious, think again. Mushrooms are savory and flavorful, and with this portobello mushroom tower recipe, you will definitely have to change whatever your opinion is about them because they are absolutely delicious. Start off by combining the marinade ingredients together. Add the olive oil, lemon juice, white wine, garlic, shallot, basil pesto, thyme, rosemary, and parsley in a mixing bowl. Mix to combine. Then, add in the portobello mushrooms, yellow squash, zucchini, celeriac, red heirloom tomatoes, and French beans. Toss to coat, then refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. When ready, lightly grill each vegetable until just done. They should be slightly crunchy and not overcooked. Now add the unsalted butter in a pan, followed by the shallot and garlic. Sauté over medium heat until tender before adding in the cauliflower. Caramelize lightly, then pour in the heavy cream and add the Parmesan cheese. Let it cook briefly, then transfer it to the food processor and puree the mixture. You can now assemble your tower, starting by placing the cauliflower puree on the center of a plate as your base. Spread over some marinara sauce, then layer the grilled vegetables alternately. Garnish with mozzarella cheese before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.